Hi everyone, the Swatch Teckno Blue. This one's got a stainless steel strap. The original silicone strap has been replaced. As you can see, it's got a nice blue shine to it. Now let's have a look at the back of the strap clasp. The original strap and the revised buttons of the, I think, 2020 upwards models. Could be earlier, but anyway, that's how the revised models buttons look like. The previous models just had rounded buttons for the stopwatch. Anyway, this is the physical Swatch Chrono Teckno Blue. Let's have a look at the watch face of this watch on an Amazfit GTR3 Pro. Okay, and here's the Amazfit GTR3 Pro. Let's just get the screen on. Okay, there we are. The Swatch watch face. As you can see, the minute count of the chrono is between 6 and 7 o'clock. That is because this minute counter is being used as the battery level indicator when the stopwatch is not in use. So it counts from 12 o'clock all the way up to 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock is 100%. At 12 o'clock it's 0% or completely empty. Now let's look at the date window there. This date window is actually an image taken from another Swatch that's been stripped open. Don't worry, it's a broken one anyway. But it's got the same font, the white on a black background as the Chrono Teckno Blue. Okay, we started the stopwatch accidentally. Now the placement of the chrono buttons is a little bit inwards because I found it a little bit difficult to tap beyond the edge. Let's just stop the stopwatch for now. Okay, there you can see the flag illustrating stopped, and the reset button is here somewhere around 5 o'clock. Okay, that's a reset. So let's have a look at how the physical calendar has been created. Okay, the calendar wheel, the image of the calendar wheel comes from these pairs. I can't remember what the name of this watch is. You can see it's been stripped, and there we have that calendar wheel. And then a photo has been taken of this calendar wheel and placed below this dial. So it actually turns, it's not text-based. Creating a text-based calendar in this case would be quite impossible. There's no option to rotate the text in the watchmaker GUI. Okay, let's have a look at that stopwatch again. Okay, now we have the battery level indicator active. Let's start the stopwatch. Oops, we don't want to exit watch face. Start is around between 1 and 2. Okay, there it started. You can see the main seconds arm moving. Okay, it remembers the position should the screen go to sleep. Let's wait a little bit. Now it should be around 15 seconds. Okay, just past 15 seconds. As you can see, the minute counter is at 12 now, or 0. Let's wait a while so that we can increment some minutes there on the minute counter, just to illustrate. While this stopwatch is running, I can show you the original strap of the Teckno Blue. This is the original strap. Nice silicone strap to match the color of the blue dial. I find the stainless steel strap a little bit tight on a heavy watch. It looks better perhaps, but it doesn't necessarily feel better. Okay, stopwatch is still running. It should have counted 1 minute by now. Okay, maybe there's still a bug. It should have incremented 1 minute now, but let's see while the screen is active. Okay, there you can see it incremented. So let's just stop the stopwatch, reset. Okay, and the minute counter is back to the battery level indicator mode. Let's just look at the tenths of seconds counter. I don't think it was clear that it jumped. Start the stopwatch and we wait for a good fraction of a second to stop it. Okay, there you can see seven tenths of a second on the tenth counter. Okay, just reset. Now at this stage the hands just jump wildly. It actually doesn't even jump, it just appears to the zeros position. When you reset it, it doesn't look like the actual Swatch in that respect. But the plan is to make a smooth movement to the 0 position on the reset. That would be on the next version. Okay, until next time, thanks for watching.